I'm Kate, and I'm here to walk you through how to find and delete YouTube history on your Android phone. Now, what do? The first thing, you open your settings, which I am here right now, and then you scroll down to privacy. You select privacy. You scroll down to activity control, select activity control. Then wait for a few seconds for it to load. So after loading, you're going to scroll down and you see YouTube history. As you can see, YouTube history. So you go down to the bottom, click on manage history. So here you can see the history for your YouTube history. So what do? To delete it, you simply click on delete. You can delete everything. Just say delete. I want to delete everything. So you can confirm by deleting it. So you've done it. Now, to further make it secure, what you're going to do is still activity control. Wait for a few minutes for it to load. Go to YouTube history again. You want to prevent it from storing anymore. So you click this. You can see over here it's written on. It's marked on. So you click on turn off. You can see it will process for a while. And that's it. Until you turn it on, it is totally off. So no matter what you download or watch on YouTube, it's not going to be recorded. No more YouTube history. And that is how to find and turn off YouTube history.